Okay, so I have a slight issue. I woke up this morning and looked in the mirror and yeah, let's just say things looked a little different to usual. I know I'm gonna have to show my face on camera eventually, so you know what? I may as well show you now. I think I know what's happened. I've been so excited for the Pixar experience that I've woke up, turned into a Pixar character. So, from here on, I will no longer be known as James Loxton. Instead, Peanut the Pig. Nice size for you. Oh. Do you know who's... Here's your adventure book.
Oh. Should I read you a story?
No, this is Sully. This is Mike. Look, this is Sully.
Sully.
Mike.
Mike.
Yeah. So say hello to Sully and Mike.
Why has Mike got only one eye?
Mike's got one eye because he's an alien.
He doesn't look like an alien.
What does he look like?
He looks like a frog.
A frog. So when I was a younger piglet, I used to have a door stopper of Sully that I used to keep outside my room when I wasn't there, and it used to activate by a sensor and scare people off if they try to get in my bedroom. It sounds so silly now, but that's what I used to do. No, that's what I used to have. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We're in Andy's room. We are in Andy's room. Look how go and stand over there. Look how small. Look. Wow, look how big the door is. Look how big the door is. And look how big the chest of drawers are. You can just about see it there. And look how big the bedside cabinet is. Look how big the bed is. Look how big the shelves are. Oh no, Andy's coming, quick!
This is my spaceship land! And the battery is just a collide jump action!
Wow, look at the drawings. Look at the drawings. This is what my drawings still look like to this day. Forget about when I was a kid. This is what my drawings still look like to this day. Howdy, partner. You look so you look so small. Do you know who this is?
Yes, it's Jessie.
Jessie.
Yeah, my best mate.
Your best mate?
Look, she's as tall as me. Oh, in fact, I'm taller than her.
You're taller than Jessie?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Hi, Jessie. Howdy.
Mummy. Fire. Water. Don't touch, it's hot. If you touch up here, it's hot. Here we have joy, sadness, and Anxiety, joy, sadness, and anxiety. I think, I hope. Look! Little sado. This is me before I post a YouTube video. So you know, the other day I was making a salad and I was cutting my tomatoes. Like, I usually have the big beef tomatoes in my salad. I cut them up, right? And there were worms inside the tomato, which has now put me off tomatoes, I think, for life. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, so note to self, when you're filming, look around you, look behind you, and don't crush the kids. Do not crush the kids.
Chocolate and mint.
Chocolate mint ice cream.
Strawberry and vanilla.
Strawberry and vanilla.
Yeah.
And where are you right now?
I'm in France.
France? Are we still in France? Oh, we're in Italy. No, you're in Italy.
I'm in France. I don't know where you are.
Right, okay, so you're in Italy, look. Wow, there's one thing for sure. Being a pig for the day is actually super fun. But you know what? I have had enough. So hopefully tomorrow when I wake up, I'll be back to human form.